Jammu Chamber of Commerce and Industry has given a call for observing strike in Jammu tomorrow to register a protest against the installation of smart meters and collection of toll tax at the Saror Toll Plaza. This was announced by the Chamber President Arun Gupta, flanked by other members in a press conference in Jammu. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the people to march towards Hyderpura, Srinagar on September 1st to pay tribute to the icon of Kashmir resistance movement Sayyid Ali Gilani on his second martyrdom anniversary. The APHC leadership in a statement in Srinagar urged the people to assemble in Srinagar on 1st September to pay tribute to Kashmir's iconic liberation leader Sayyid Ali Gilani. Indian police have attached the property of a youth in the Bandipora district. The police authority attached Mayer's 4 Malla land of Mehbubul Inam Shah in the district for supporting the demand of right to self-determination. Anjuman Auqaf of Jamia Masjid Srinagar has denounced in strong terms the continued house detention of its chief Mirwais Umar Farooq. Anjuman Auqaf said that it was 209th consecutive Friday when Mirwais Umar Farooq was not allowed to come to Grand Mosque to deliver the Friday sermon and offer prayers. Prayer session was held at the residence of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader and patron of Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami Nisar Hussain Rathar in Bhimna area in Srinagar. Nisar Hussain Rathar died on Tuesday. A spokesperson of Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami in a statement in Srinagar said that large number of people hailing from all walks of the life, including delegation of Hurriyat organizations, participated in the prayer session. National Conference leader in occupied Kashmir Bashir Ahmed Veeri has said that the minorities do not feel comfortable in India since 2014. The Bharatiya Janata Party's BJP first target have been minorities, especially the Muslims. Bashir Ahmed Veeri in a media interview said that not only in occupied Jammu and Kashmir but after 2014 the BJP's first largest target were the Muslims in the India also. Posters have appeared in various parts of the occupied Kashmir urging the people to pay tributes to the icon leader Sayyid Ali Gilani on his second martyrdom anniversary on 1st September. According to Kashmir Media Service, Sayyid Ali Gilani embraced martyrdom in custody of the Indian police on 1st September 2021 at his residence in Srinagar, where he was kept under continued house detention for over a decade.